All right, today we're going to bring a camera mount for your vehicle. If you're doing content or you need to create a movie and you want to be able to use a couple of cameras, you can do that. Now these are very fixed, all right? In order to adjust this, you got to release these to actually move them up and down. Now if you guys can see, this is just one sample of you setting up the actual camera so you can see inside the actual car. Or if you have any of these cameras that are compatible, all right, we have a DJI, a 360 Go, and an actual GoPro. All right, so all these are compatible with this unit, and you can actually mount more than just these units. Right? All right, for example, we have our Pocket 3 here, and this is fixed enough so I could go ahead and set this up in here. So if you guys can see, here's my actual Pocket 3. Pocket 3 goes in here. All right, to get this Pocket 3 to remove, it's easy. All you got to do is rotate this thing off because it threads in there. There's a little thread in here. You guys can see that. And if you want to shorten it up, I'm going to show you how to shorten up too. So here's the Pocket 3. Compatible with the Go 3 too also. They're all threaded, if you guys can see that. And in this case, we're able to actually move this up, go to the front, and you can record yourself while you're driving. Record. All right, besides the actual Pocket 3, we're gonna take this off and stop it from recording. It's compatible with a GoPro, if you guys can see that. Thread it in. You can arrange it any direction you want on here. All you got to do is release these right here, loosen them up, shorten them up if you want, loosen them up, shorten them up. That's about it. This is how you set it up. So you could have your camera mount, but just make sure you get a nice suction. You just want to make sure you don't lose your stuff while you're driving this thing, because these things are very expensive, and to set something up, it's best. This is best. It works best when it's on glass. So we're gonna put it on glass. There you go. You can set up your GoPro. You can see the driving from the side. You can set this on the side of the car. Let me show you how it works on the side of the car too. These are different ways that you could set up your camera. Let me show you another one. All right, so if you ever want to get that side shot on your vehicle, all right, make sure you got plenty of suction. In order to do this, we're going to suck this one, and then we're also going to do this one, and do the last one here, and in the back we change it up, and then we lock them in place. If you ever want to do your side shots, you can do that. And of course, you could actually extend it, lock it in place here, extend it here, and do here, and have your side shot. So besides the front, if you guys can see that, you could extend it to the side, and it could even go on the rooftop too, but unfortunately I'm not going to get up there. But I'm just going to show you demoly how this thing works. It works for any camera pretty much that has the mount. All right, so out of the box, very simple, easy to use.